Hey everyone, today we are at Google Ananta, which is situated in Bangalore and presently one of the largest office of Google in Asia. So we will be having a office tour. So let's get started. So this is the ground floor of this office. So अभी हम जा रहे हैं cafeteria में for snacks and all. So let's see how the cafeteria is over here. This is one of the best which we have in this building, which is on the first floor. Google ऑफिस में बहुत कूल थिंग है. द 8th floor and 7th floor is connected with a slide. तो अगर आपको 8 से 7th floor पे आना है तो rather than taking stairs or lift, you can easily slide down over this floor. So there is the working lobby. It is not exactly the working space of the people who used to work over here, but a relaxed sort of manner where there are lounges and all, so that people can connect, people can have some coffee and relax by working.
So that's all in this video for you guys. I hope you all enjoyed this office tour of Google Ananta, and special thanks to Rishikesh to make this possible and to host us over here.
Thank you. I also had a great time with you guys. We don't get much chances to visit these places in office, but yeah, it's a great chance for me to relive old memories with my old friends in the office. Thank you
Yeah,
so much.
it was a great catch up with you after a long time. And for you guys, do let us know in comments which office tour you want us to visit next, and we'll see you in the next video.